Good morning. So here is the rest of the instructions for the project-based learning lesson for week 6. The lesson is germs all around us. So today we started about beginning our journal. You're going to make a germ journal. You can get any kind of paper that you have in the house. You can use crayons, markers, pencils, any writing implements. You will need soap. You could use hand soap or soap from the kitchen. You will need pepper, and you will need a container of water. Okay, these are papers that were within your packet, and here are our steps to washing our hands. There is also a piece of paper that you can use to document what a germ might look before you use soap or after you put soap in. Where does the pepper go? What does it look like? And there is a blank page where you can also write the directions for washing your hands. What do you do first? Turn on the water. Wet your hands. So you would put it in the sequence that you wash your hands. If you did not get this packet, that's okay. You can use plain paper and draw your own pictures and write your own words. All right, so today we start our journal. Day 2, tomorrow, you are going to do an experiment. So this is where you need your water, your pepper, and your soap. Fill a bowl with water. Sprinkle pepper all over it. This is what it looks like with the pepper on top. Now here is where you draw your picture. If you don't have this paper, that's okay. So before we add the soap, what does it look like? I'm going to get my marker. I could use a pencil. And right now, here's the top of the water. There's pepper all over, everywhere. That's what it looks like to me. So you're going to draw what does yours look like. Then I'm going to make a prediction. What do I think will happen if I put a small amount of soap on my finger and dip it into the pepper? So I think that I am going to get pepper all over my finger. That's my prediction. I'm making a guess. Then I'm going to test the prediction. So I have my paper, my bowl of water, and my pepper. I'm putting a small amount of soap on my finger, and I am going to, let's see if you can see this, whoops, touch it to the water. And I don't have any pepper on my finger, but also the pepper scattered. So now I draw a picture of what that looks like. The pepper was all over, and now it scattered away from the soap. So if you pretend that the pepper is the germs and the soap is what fights the germs and makes them leave, they ran away. So when you use soap on your hands, what happens? The germs run away. Now, I'm going to draw what happened and write about it. What changed? What did I learn? Why is it important to use soap when I wash my hands? Was your prediction correct? The following day, I'm going to look around my house and write a list of places that I can find germs. Maybe I can find them on a sink. Sink, S-I-N-K. going to draw pictures and write words of where I can find germs. On day 4, I am going to use the sequence cards to put them in the correct order of how to properly wash my hands. I'm going to cut them out and then put them in the correct order. And then finally, on day 5, I am going to trace my hand and cut it to a piece of paper. So I'm going to trace my hand on the paper. There's Miss Karen's hand. And then I'm going to cut it out and I'm going to glue it onto another piece of paper, and I'm going to do that 2 times. And I'm going to label one hand dirty and one hand clean. One hand dirty, and then the other hand I'm going to make clean. Okay, I'm going to hang the sign where my family can see it so they can remember to wash their hands. Check out the resources and this video and have fun with your experiment this week. Have a great day.